So this is a wee video talking about dashboards. So the first thing about a dashboard is that you just can't go ahead and put them into your tables without first creating a BAQ. So for example here, I'm going to create a new one. So I'm actually going to first of all look for something that's maybe to do with shipping. So there's one there called orders to ship. There's one called shipments. Yeah, let's have a look at shipments. But anyway, I said I would create a new one, so I'm going to. So anyway, here we're going to create a new one and we're going to call it shipments. Uh, they get tagged with your name anyway. Shared all companies. This one won't need to be updatable. And then we'll go to query fields and we're going to look for stuff to do with ships. So there's ship headers, ship to. This I'm surprised that didn't link, but anyway. Uh, ship to. So with these two, now they may not have the details on it I need it, but under we're going to go to display fields. So you've got two fields here. So we're going to say company, customer, ship to, name, and maybe throw in the country just in case there's two that are quite similar. Uh, Might include territory. And then we'll go to the ship header. Oh, sorry, ship to. Hopefully they're all still selected. No, they're not. Company, customer, ship to, name, country. You can include a phone number if you want it. Tax region code. Include those over here. And then we're going to go to the second table, which is ship header. So in here, we've got the pack number. So pack number is what's in the packing slip. We're going to do ship date, shipping via, ship person. We're going to include where it's been invoiced or not. Shipment status, and you can include that. You can go in here to sort order and then put your defined list in the order that you want, but I'm not going to do that. So now I'm going to click run. I'm going to analyze my query, and it has one warning, which is lovely. And it says here syntax is okay. I'm going to go with that test. So this is now the details that would appear in this BAQ. So in other words, you've got invoiced, and you'll see there we've got one that's open. So for example, we could use this table in a BAQ, and then the user could put on a filter for open purchase orders per se. Okay, so I'm going to save that and close it. And last updated. So we call this one shipments. So if I was to go to like a home screen here and go edit, and add a new page, and we're going to call this here shipments, and hit OK. I can now go to a thing called BAQ Grid and search for my shipments. And then you could have had 10 times the amount of information that you wanted on your BAQ, but here you can uh, reduce what you want to see. So status and invoice, sort of the same thing. So you could say here, leave off the invoice bit, but I'll include it for now and hit OK. So on this page designer, it gives us this page, and we can now save that page. And then in this page, we can now go add your filters, save layout, and then you can go is true or is false. So for example, this would show on this BAQ screen that we've got one order to this customer that's open. Of course, you'll see that I didn't include enough details about the actual order, so I'm going to try and edit that. Edit. Edit. So I need to include a wee bit more. Pack ID I would need. Tax region. I'll include all of it. Save. So this is the pack ID, and again, if I do put the filters on, save layout, invoiced is false. So there'll be one open one here. And from the screen, you can go here to customer shipment entry and find out why that order is open. It's open, credit hold. Anyway, that's a different matter. But that's how you can have a table on your home screen to look at stuff, and I hope that helps in some way.